Before we start the installation, please review the minimum specifications for a WEMS Lite and a WEMS Lite Pro. You can pause the video now. Okay, let's start the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install WEMS Lite free version. What you'll need is the installer. To get the installer, you can just go to policebodycameras.com. After you get the installer, double click. You'll see the setup wizard pop up. Click Next. Agree to the license agreement. Click Next again. Select the path you want to install WEMS Lite on. Click Next again, and then Install. You may get a Windows prompt at this point. Just click Yes. The installation may take several minutes. The wizard will inform you when the installation is complete. Looks like it's completed. Click Finish. Just double click. You'll see an error message. You will need to run as admin. So right click, Run as admin. You get a prompt, click Yes at that point, and then you'll see the Getting Started page for WEMS Lite. And that's how you install WEMS Lite.